Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the different kind of eye assessments that are done. So I am here. You can see there are many different kind of instruments over here, and we are going to talk to an optometrist. An optometrist is someone who is a primary eye care specialist. She is going to run us down through all these instruments and tell us about the different types of eye measurements that are done, and also some kind of eye assessments that can be done. So let's get to it.
Hello everyone, this is Varion machine. This is very much updated machine in eye care technology. It gives us the exact placement of the toric lens axis during cataract surgeries. So very much important machine to get the stabilized vision after cataract surgery. This is IOL Master 700, very useful in calculating IOL powers, IOL that is intraocular lens powers, which are implanted during cataract surgery in human eye. So we can get exact power and zero number post cataract surgery. These are two tiny machines. This is autorefractometer, which measures computerized eye number, and this is NCT, non-contact tonometer, which gives us exact IOP. IOP is intraocular pressure. The way we have our body pressure, blood pressure, we have eye pressure also in our eyes. So that is measured with this machine. This machine is LipiView. This is very useful in diagnosis of dryness because of the modern technologies like AC environments and pollutions in the air. Everybody is very prone to dryness. So dryness is measured with this machine. This is fundus camera. Fundus is also called as retina. So retinal photographs can be taken here, and then we can document the smallest problems very easily, and we can monitor the prognosis. This machine is Cirrus topography, very important in corneal mapping. So in all types of LASIK surgery, corneal thicknesses and corneal curvatures are measured, which are accurately measured by this machine. This is OCT, ocular coherence tomography, very important diagnostic tool in cases of retinas and glaucomas. Very early minute diagnosis is possible with this. This is HD machine available here. Hello. So when patient walks in, we just make them sit here comfortably. We take their detailed history to know about their complaints, their past illnesses, their current occupation, everything we ask in detail just to relate with the eye problems. Then we refract patients thoroughly. Refraction is what? The latest eye power taken up with the latest instruments available in our hospital. Post that, patient is put eye drops to dilate so that we can check their retina in detail. Meanwhile, we carry out several tests to know whether patient needs some important treatment afterwards or not. So in that case, we usually do pediatric workups for small kids, in which we measure their axial length, we measure their topography, we measure exactly if they have any squint and how much degree of squint they have, if there is any lazy eye. So if at all there is any lazy eye, we have latest treatment available as Revital Vision, in which the cells of the eye, based on AI technology, they just regenerate and train your brain to see better than your eyes. So there are many ways to improve your vision. Revital Vision is one of them, which is really latest in market.